Hey, great magician, Mandy.
Wow.
Can you show us some new skill of magic or maybe talent?
Alright.
How? That one? Whoa. Oh man. Could you balance that?
Okay.
That one? Wait. Okay. How many seconds? You're gonna balance this on your head?
Yeah, any minute.
Minutes? Okay.
Just
There.
count to 100.
Okay, I will count 1 to 10.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoops, there's another twist.
What?
This one, you have to. Oh! Oh
What?
man. Next level with the pencil. This on your head. No. This one on your head. This one. This. Balance that. This one.
Where?
Here, the pencil. On your here. Like this. You have to hold it using your. Why? You can do that. Come on.
Funny.
Oh, this one. Okay, this one na lang. There. And then there. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Timer starts now. Hold it. Use your hold. Oh. 1, 2. Come on, balance. 3. No hands. 4, 5, 6. Yup, you're doing good. 7, 8. You're doing good. 9. Come on. We want 20. 10. Okay, that's enough. Third level is. There's another one there.
Where?
And you are also going to balance this.
Where?
This one. On your
Where?
hand. On your other hand. Come on.
Okay.
Get your paraphernalias. This is for the world. Okay, that one first. Put that there. On your
What?
own. On your head.
No, you do it.
No, you. Whoa, very good. Oh, fix it. Ah! Wait, let's fix it. So guys, this is live. This is live. Pure magic. Pure skills. Oh, put that there. Ano po? Ilan po? Okay, so guys, medyo naputol po kanina. So this one, Mandy had practice. Okay, I'm sorry for interruption because this is live. Okay, let's put that there.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Together, you may stand up. Okay. Okay, that one, and the third level is you're gonna balance this on the other hand. That one. 1, 2, 3, go. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. No laughing. Also, serious face. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No.